Why investing in hype names or stocks with no fundamentals is dangerous. It can be so tempting when you see something with what you think is a can't miss opportunity based on the name of the investment. Now, unfortunately, that is your emotions taking over and not your brain warning you about an investment that has no earnings and probably has no chance to ever be profitable. An example of this is investing or speculating on anything with the name Trump on it. This is not a political statement against the president, but an example of how well-known names can have investments that falter. Reality has now set in on stocks like Trump Media and Technology Group Corp., which trades under symbol DJT and has fallen around 70% since the president was inaugurated. The large decline now has people questioning their investment. You may have also tried to latch on to the Trump family's crypto venture through a token. Again, that's a token called World Liberty Financial. But since September, that has lost around 40% of its value. Other type of gambles, like Trump's meme coin, is down around 90%. Again, that's 90% from its high. And Melania Trump's meme coin has lost almost all of its value, being down 99% from its high. The Trump coin, depending on the source, had a high of over $100. And the Millennia coin at one point had a market cap of $2 billion. And there was no value to it at all. I must ask, what were people thinking? If you lost money in these investments, just come to the reality that you were gambling and not investing. And your risk of losing money, well, that was very high because you're doing silly things. Maybe you like the thrill and the excitement, but if you want to grow a good portfolio, don't invest in any investment or stock company that is losing money and has very little chance of making money in the future. I'm Brent Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, well, be sure to go to like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter, the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.